Hi, and welcome to NessMacrameStudio. It's time for a colorful and creative DIY makeover. Today I'll show you how to turn a simple floral hoop into a bright macrame wall decoration, something that will bring life and charm to your favorite corner at home. I found my inspiration during a local store sale. I came across a floral hoop with lovely red roses and green and golden leaves at a great price. The piece looked cute, but a little too simple. So I decided to transform it using macrame and give it a touch of texture and elegance. First, let's remove all the tags, price stickers, and extra fittings. Keep the flowers. We'll reuse them later. For the main palette, I'm using a green cord that matches the leaves on the hoop. I've cut 25 cords in total, carefully calculating their length. You'll find the exact measurements and extra beginner tips in the description below this video. Attach all cords to the hoop, and our transformation begins. Once all the cords are in place, find the 4 cords in the center and tie one square knot. This knot will slightly redirect the flow of the lines, making the design softer and more graceful, adding a little bit of geometry and magic to the circle. Now take the outermost cord and tie double half hitch knots toward the center. Repeat the same process on the other side. Set aside the first 2 cords and use the 3rd cord to tie the 2nd row. Set aside 4 cords on each side and use the 5th one to tie the 3rd row. Set aside 2 more cords and move on to the 4th row, which will create a delicate braided pattern. Each knot should involve 3 cords. Follow my movements carefully, and you'll get that neat, clean texture. Now we have 4 rows completed. The main part of the weaving is almost done. Let's move on to the center ornament. Take 2 cords in the middle, cross them, and make 3 double half hitch knots on each one. Then pick up 4 cords from the center and tie 1 square knot. Continue knotting toward the center, joining the lines together neatly. Perfect. The main pattern is finished. Now it's time for the colorful tassels. I used 7 cords, separated them into fine fibers, and brushed them thoroughly. The fuller the tassel, the prettier it looks. But don't make it too heavy, or it might weigh the whole design down. After brushing, set aside a few fibers for wrapping, and attach the tassel right in the center of the piece. Once brushed, the cords will look longer. We'll trim the extra length later to make it even. Attach 2 more tassels, 1 on each side of the 4th row. Now for the finishing touches, let's fix the cord ends. If your cords don't fray, simply trim them evenly. But if they do, like mine, tie small knots at the ends. This adds both texture and movement. I start by tying small securing knots, beginning with the shortest cords first. This helps me set the base level. Then I continue knotting the remaining cords, adding a few knots at slightly different lengths to create a natural, dynamic look. And voila, the macrame section is complete. Now it's time to bring back the flowers we removed earlier. I attach them to the hoop with the same green cord, placing them slightly to one side, and our makeover is done. Look how elegant and magical it turned out. It works beautifully as a wall hanging, but it's just as lovely outdoors, where a gentle breeze will make the cords and tassels dance softly in the air. It's cheerful, it's eye-catching, and it's the kind of handmade accent that will instantly draw attention, perfect for your interior or as festive decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More creative macrame ideas are coming soon on NessMacrameStudio.